Assert function / method was not called using mock. I'm using the mock library to test my application, but I want to assert that some function was not called. Mock docs talk about methods like mock.assert_called_with and mock.assert_called_once_with, but I didn't find anything like mock.assert_not_called or something related to verify mock was not called. I could go with something like the following, though it doesn't seem cool nor Pythonic. Any ideas how to accomplish this?
This should work for your case. Sample.
Though an old question, I would like to add that currently mock library, backport of unittest.mock, supports assert_not_called method. Just upgrade yours. Pip install mock upgrade.
With Python is greater than or equal to 3.5, you can use mock_object.assert_not_called.
You can check the called attribute, but if your assertion fails, the next thing you'll want to know is something about the unexpected call, so you may as well arrange for that information to be displayed from the start. Using unittest, you can check the contents of call_args_list instead. When it fails, it gives a message like this: